Solving simple equations. Key idea: addition property of equality. Adding the same number to each side of an equation produces an equivalent equation. For example, if you have A equals B, then adding C on both sides will give you a same equation. Similarly, for subtraction property, if you subtract same number on both sides of an equation, then it's going to be equivalent. Example number 1. Solving equations using addition or subtraction. Letter A. Solve x minus 7 equals negative 6. To solve this equation, we are going to isolate x and remove negative 7 from this side. To do that, we are going to add 7 on both sides, because if we add 7 on both sides, this negative 7 and positive 7 will cancel and x would be by itself. Now plus 7 minus 6 would give you positive 1. That's the value of x you're going to get. Now you're going to see if the x value you got is correct or not by checking it. To check that x value, you have to plug back this x value to the main equation. So the x minus 7 equals negative 6. Here you would put x value as 1. So 1 minus 7 equals negative 6. 1 minus 7 is negative 6 and it's equal to negative 6. If the both sides are equal, then your x value is correct. You check the equation and it came out true. For the next equation, y plus 3.4 equals 0.5, we are going to isolate y. To do that, we are going to subtract 3.4 from both sides. Remember, we have to balance the equation. If we are subtracting from one side, we have to subtract on the other side. And if we are adding on one side, then we have to add on the other side as well. Now, if we subtract 3.4 from 3.4, it came out nothing. And 0.5 minus 3.5 will give you 2.9, negative 2.9. This is your y value that you're going to use to check the equation. You're going to use y equals negative 2.9 and substitute into the main equation or original equation. So negative 2.9 plus 3.4 equals 0.5. That was the main equation, and you plugged it 2.9 or negative 2.9 for y. When you subtract these two, you're going to get 0.5 on both sides, which is true. For the next example, we are going to isolate h and remove 2 pi from this side. Remember, 2 pi is a number because pi is 3.14. We are going to remove 2 pi from this side, so it means we have to do the opposite operation, which means subtract 2 pi from both sides. H will be equals to 3 pi minus 2 pi, which is pi. Remember, pi is a number and that number has a value which is 3.14. And for the checking part, we are going to now substitute h equals pi into the main equation. So h will be pi and 2 pi equals 3 pi. This is our original equation. Pi plus 2 pi would be 3 pi, and 3 pi equals 3 pi, which is true. So solving for a simple equation means solving for an unknown number by bringing all the unknown number on one side of an equation and all the numbers on the other side of an equation. Thank you for watching.